found this rusted abandoned ship car hidden for decades. Everyone thought it was beyond repair. But over the next 100 days, I turned it into a floating luxury monster no one would believe.
Secure positions now. Watch the deck plating.
Clear on the upper deck. Moving to the pool.
Acknowledge. Check for structural integrity.
Check the thickness on that support beam now.
Reading 5 millimeters near the fracture point.
Secure that shackle quickly.
It's in, boss.
All right, start the tension sequence now.
Adjust tension.
Copy that. Adjusting.
Starboard side clear, you are good to proceed.
We're almost there.
Hold the line, she's tilting starboard.
Easy now. Watch the cradles.
We have contact on stand 4.
The fracture extends 3 meters past the connection point. Corrosion is severe.
The upper deck is unstable. We need shoring immediately.
Mark that entire panel red.
Check the schematics for the forward stabilizers.
They need reinforcement before the lift. Section 4B.
Clear the line. We're moving the tower in. Watch the cables. Get that generator hooked up now. Right there. We need to reinforce that joint immediately. Understood. Let's move.
All teams report readiness. Initiate high pressure sequence on my mark.
Keep that water moving towards the main drain. Focus the spray right by the grill.
Team, watch out below. Get that clear.
Clear the catwalk. We got a drop incoming. Copy that. Moving now.
Equipo Udo, avancen. Move to the next section.
Clear that debris now.
We can sign off on the bow section. It's clean. How are the scuppers holding up? Clear. Just some minor sediment left. Move the scaffolding up 2 meters. Copy that, moving now.
Watch the sparks below.
Clear the landing, we're moving up.
Watch the sparks on the lower catwalk.
Keep that grinder moving, don't stop.
Clear this section now.
Watch your footing up top. Clear. Bringing the crane up now.
The laser scan confirms the alignment.
And the plating matches the specs exactly. We are clear for handover. Die penetration test is clear on this section.
Acknowledged. We can start the surface prep on the starboard side.
Slow approach on the bow section. Check alignment on the starboard holes. Looks perfect, hold it right there. Lower it slow, watch the starboard side. Easy now, easy, we're almost flush. Hold it steady, ready to tack. थोड़ा लेफ्ट रुक अब नीचे परफेक्ट
थोड़ा ऊपर होल्ड अब वेल्ड स्टार्ट करो
Out stable. Continue. Slag clean करो. प्रेशर बढ़ाओ, धीरे. अब चेक करो, परफेक्ट स्ट्रेट हो गया.
This section alone took us 3 weeks, but the sheer strength of the new plating is undeniable.
We double plated the entire keel section. She's stronger now than she was new.
and the davits.
Welded and pressure tested this morning.
A little to the left.
Copy that. Left coming down.
Watch the clearance on deck 3.
And locked. We are seated.
Oil pressure nominal, all systems green. 24.8 volts steady on the hybrid rail. CAN bus active, coolant stabilizing at 40.
Bus power online. Confirming pre-start sequence.
Status green, cap.
Cranking. Injectors open. Rail pressure locked.
EGT spread 6 degrees.
No misfires.
She's purring like a kitten. No hunting, no knocks, perfect.
The engine's fully tested and sealed. We move on to hull plating tomorrow.
Copy that. Suspension tuning next week.
CAN continuity good, 0.2 loop resistance.
HV insulation, 500 megatet at 1 kilovolt.
Bundle dress, next section ready, good run.
That's the primary conduit for the starboard engine.
Secure. Powering up now.